And we're back. Somewhere along the way, the stream stopped altogether. I don't know where it stopped, but I was in the process. What is it? I was in the process of making contacts using the straight key. I'm on the SCC SCED page, which is the page they use for making contacts with other members. I was on a frequency earlier and I was making contacts. One of the other members sent me a message in the chat here, and they asked me if I was crystal controlled or can I move. Meaning they have one of the older radios that you put a little crystal in and it assigns it a frequency. Apparently that's the only way he can do CW. So I said, up here I said I would move. So I went QRT and I moved to a different frequency. And I started calling CQ again. And I didn't notice that my live had turned off. So I don't know where I stopped. So I'm just going to do some more. Turn off that attenuator. I'm going to call QRL since I've been away so long. And since I've been doing this I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with it, so my speed with the straight key is getting a little faster. But I'm hearing someone right next to me. Let me send another QRL. Alright, I'm guessing everybody's gone to bed. I'm the only active user right now. I'm going to call CQ a few times just to see if it goes out. Let me guess, everybody's gone to bed now. KB8UGP is making contacts on 2 watts on 7.0658. If you're into QRP type stuff. He sent a message. I did answer that, so I will close it. Alright, I didn't get a response to that CQ. Let me send another one. Alright, nobody's there. I gotta go QRT. Go inactive. Alright, so the other guy is in West Virginia. Let's see if he's still on 7065.8. Where is that thing? There. Set my power down to 5 watts. I will ask him if he is on. Darn it. I will ask him if he is still on 70658. I may have to wait till the daytime to get more contacts, it seems like. All the old CW guys have gone to bed at 10:44 Central Time. I'll keep the sked page open though, just to see if someone else comes in. Alright, there's his response. "70645, he says. Now he says, yeah, 7064.5. Let's see if he can hear me at 5 watts. It is very low. Said he's got me at 339. West Virginia. I don't normally get into West Virginia that good. Said he's only running 2 watts on a 1925 Hall Hartley. He said 73 and have a good evening. So if I go here, and I search for that radio, CW. Looks like that would be the first one. I wanted to see a picture of it though. Alright, that's Facebook stuff. Alright, so he's the only one on the SCED page, so he's the only one sending out right now. So I may have to go back to looks like the contest is still going on. See them. What do you call this? You're seeing the speed, the words per minute are still up high. That usually means there's some kind of contest going on. And I don't know why my volume's up so loud. 72. Alright, there's W1AW/1. See if we can get that one. Gotta be on 20 meters. It's K8. Turn my power back up. Let's make sure they're not on. I didn't log this contact. I'll go back and get the time. I'll look at the recording if it's there, because it got cut off. Alright, that's W1AW/1. And I didn't change my key out. I'm still on the straight key. There's some stations spotted in California still doing pota. 18 is at L6.5. Not hearing not hearing 17 meters. The VK station, Australia. So Washington, I should be able to get that on 40 meters. You're going to be A0. AA7RM. But I'm not hearing anything. Alright, I think that's all I'm going to do. Again, the stream got cut off in the middle. So it's either going to be a stream and then a cut point and then it comes back on, or it's going to be two separate videos. I don't know how it's going to do it. So 73, thanks for watching. That was the weekly RTTY contest and some of the SKCC straight key stuff doing CW. 73 guys, I'll see you next time.